Steamed rice with meat and vegetables. A main dish from Indonesia. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Clean and wash rice, and cook with salt, water, and coconut milk. Set aside. Step 2. Peel carrots and potatoes, cut into small cubes. Step 3. Heat oil in a saucepan, sauté all vegetables, add meat, then remaining ingredients with half cup water. Cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Step 4. Put 1 layer of cooked rice in a saucepan, spread over it a layer of cooked meat and vegetables. Use all rice and vegetables by spreading alternately. Step 5. Cover and steam in a steamer or oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Cool before serving. Note: steaming can also be done using banana leaves. Spread mixture alternately on banana leaf,
Country reports,
roll,
culture,
fold over ends,
countries,
and seal.
travel.
Steam packet